To load your drawer lock dispenser, hold the lock over the opening so that the metal side is facing up. Hold the lock over the hole with the orange side just a little lower than opposite side. Not too much, just about 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch lower. Then let go of the lock so that it falls evenly by releasing the fingers on both sides at the same time. If you have a problem getting the lock to fit, you may need to adjust this wheel so that the orange tab is retracted like this, so the lock fits inside the opening better. In the future, after some feedback, these dispensers may be updated and we'll try to include a change in the updated model to accommodate this orange tab in an extended position. But as of October 10th, 2024, this fix has not been made to the current model.